Hello and welcome back. I am Matt Taylor and this is my variety channel. Today I want to show you how much money I made with one of my videos that eclipsed 1 million views. So this video just a couple of days ago got over 1 million views, and I want to show you how much money I made just on that one video. Now this video is on my cooking channel, In the Kitchen with Matt. It's not on this Matt Taylor Variety channel. On this channel, I don't put any of my cooking episodes because I have a channel dedicated just to cooking. And I want to point out this, I'm not trying to brag or anything like that. I just want to show you the type of money that you can potentially make with Google AdSense on YouTube. And one thing also to note is it is going to vary how much your channel makes. So what do I mean by that? So my particular channel, my cooking channel, the type of ads that might run on that may not be the more expensive ads, the ads that pay more per click. So they're going to be ads that might run that, for example, on other channels, they might be promoting some course, or there might be promoting some other things where there's a higher return for the advertiser. So the advertiser is willing to pay more money for their CPM. What is a CPM? Well, every YouTube channel that's monetized has an average CPM, and CPM is cost per thousand. A lot of people say that it's cost per thousand views. Well, it is, but it's cost per thousand impressions or monetized views. Whether it's someone clicking on one of the little banners or clicking on your advertisement or watching the whole commercial advertisement that plays in front of a video, that counts as one monetized impression or one monetized view. So the CPM is for every 1,000 of those, your channel will make anywhere from $1.50 to $5 or $6, $7, depending on your channel. Mine's on the lower end of that just because of the nature of the channel. The cooking channel doesn't warrant or doesn't make a higher CPM, if that makes sense. But the main purpose of this is to show you how much you can potentially make on a video provided you are monetized. Now, in order to get monetized, you have to have at least 1,000 subscribers and at least 4,000 hours of watch time. And I know that sounds like a daunting task, but if you just keep at it and keep consistent, I'm not going to go into all the details on how to do that right now in this video. I'll do a different video on how to do that. Yeah, you can do it. And so here we go. Let's dive in over to my channel, my In the Kitchen with Matt channel. Here we are. This is on my Creator Studio page. And what I want to do, you can see my estimated revenue so far in the last 28 days for this channel as a whole. That includes all of my monetized videos. I'm going to go over here to Analytics. And then what I want to do is, here's my estimated revenue again, a watch time, views for 28 days. And then what I want to do is I want to click on my crepes one. Okay, my how to make crepes video, or depending on where you live in the world, you might say it differently. Here in the United States, we say crepes. But, so you can see just for in the last 28 days, my estimated revenue for this one video is $197, which is pretty cool, with 90 views. Now that's not 90 monetized views, that's just 90 views total. Not every one of those is going to be an impression or someone clicking on something, if that makes sense. All right, now what I want to do is go here to lifetime. All right, so my lifetime views, the watch time is 2.8 million minutes for the watch time. Average duration 251. The views 1,005,000 views, and then my estimated revenue right here is $1,900.63. And so that is what I took home myself. That's not what my channel was paid for or what the actual video generated, but this was my take home, because YouTube, they take a cut. I think it's 45%, and then you get 55%. It used to be different. YouTube used to only take 40%, and the content creator would make 60%, but they've changed that up a little bit. So there you go. That is how much I made on one video. So imagine if all of my videos, I have like 285 videos on the cooking channel. Imagine if all those videos were performing that way. They're not. So yeah, but I was lucky to get a video that does pretty well. And again, it's not to brag, it's just to show you the type of money that you could potentially make here on YouTube with one video that reaches 1 million views. Again, it's going to vary depending on your channel and the content of your channel and the types of ads that play on your channel. I appreciate you taking a look here at this video, and I hope you will subscribe and click that notification bell. That way you'll be notified when I have new videos that come out. My variety channel has all kinds of different videos, from tutorials to spoofs to creative date ideas to cryptocurrency videos, all kinds of different things that you can find here on my channel. Hope you'll subscribe. And until next time, happy YouTubing, everyone.